Mentorship isn't just a trendy word, it's a life-changing relationship. Bob Proctor always said, if you want to make a quantum leap in life, you need someone who's already where you want to go. And he was right. Think about it. Elon Musk had mentors, so did Warren Buffett. Even Steve Jobs had guidance. In any field, business, personal growth, sports, success is often accelerated by the right mentorship. It's the difference between walking a dark path alone or being guided by someone holding a light. When I started learning from Bob Proctor, one of the biggest lessons I had was this. Your mindset is the foundation of your success. You see, we all carry limiting beliefs. We don't even notice. A mentor holds up a mirror and says, hey, this thought is stopping you. Let's fix that. Without Bob, I would have kept running in circles, working hard but not smart. He helped me shift my beliefs about money, time, and goal settings. A good mentor keeps you accountable. They challenge your excuses. They show you shortcuts that took them decades to discover. Without a mentor, you can spend years testing things, failing, doubting. With the right mentor, you shorten that timeline and move with confidence. So now you're probably thinking, that's great, but how do I find a mentor? Here are some simple, powerful steps. Number one, get clear on who you want to be. What's your definition of success? Is it financial freedom? It's emotional resilience. Becoming a strong leader? Clarity is the first step. Number two, study those who have already done it. Look up people in your chosen field. Read their books. Watch their interviews. Learn their story. Number three, apply what they teach. Even if you can't afford one-on-one mentorship yet, apply what they share publicly. That alone can change your life. Number four, join online communities, mastermind groups, YouTube channels, LinkedIn networks. Surround yourself with people on the same path. And number five, remember, mentorship isn't just one-on-one. Books, courses, podcasts, they are all forms of mentorship. Mentors can reach you in many ways, if you are open to learning. If you want to make massive changes in your life, find a mentor who's already walked that road. That decision could become the turning point of your journey. I have been blessed to learn from Bob Proctor, and now I'm here to pass those lessons on to others, maybe even you.